So I'm going to show you adding some organic material, organic fertilizer to my aquaponic system. Basically what we have here is just a bunch of leaves and some of the cut down tomato vine, and I got some crab apples in here, just different things that are breaking down. And so what I do on a daily basis is I will stir a little bit, take about a cup of this off. So about a cup. And I will put it into the system. Now it looks like I'm putting it in a fish tank, but I'm really not. It's actually going to go straight out into the grow beds out here. So, lead in, kind of slow. And that's being distributed out to the grow beds. This is the fish population. They're providing the nitrogen and some of the trace elements that needed, but I mean, this is a tomato vine that last week was all the way up through the ceiling. I just trimmed it all down. Different kales, lettuces. Here's a nice bean coming in. Some new lettuce coming in. Bok choy back there. So it's doing really well, and this is how you use homemade organic fertilizer in an aquaponic system. Thank you.